Here is Style by Miss Linda. She's done an awesome job on her Tablescape Peace and Love Tablescape. Go check her out and see what great things she does on her channel. And here is Tangi Webb, another awesome creator. Please go check out her channel. You're going to love her. Such great content. Don't forget now, this was Peace and Love Tablescape hosted by Tangi Webb and Style by Miss Linda. Go over and check out those awesome creators and show a little love, and then go to the playlist and see who else has joined in on this, and please give them a little love too. Good evening to all of my awesome friends. Today I am joining in on a tablescape called Peace and Love Tablescape with a Valentine's theme, and being put on by Tangi Webb and Style by Miss Linda. As you can see, I am doing mine in pink. Is it not the prettiest thing? I tried to have something simple, beautiful, and romantic, not too overdone. I have this beautiful flower arrangement that I put together through a little bear with a red heart in for a little bit of love. And I have some beautiful strawberry cupcakes on the table also, and the word for love. Beautiful romantic candles on both sides. Honey for those that don't like sugar. And I have tea and a creamer on the other side. Let me know how you liked this arrangement. The total cost of this tablescape for Love and Peace in pink was $4. Only had to buy 4 things from Dollar Tree to do it with. The beautiful silver bowl or salad plate or salad bowl, and the pink heart necklace and the wooden hearts on the corner, and the beautiful sign that says love. Everything else I already had. I thought it was pretty cute for Valentine's Day. The little bear with the little red heart gave a little whimsy to this tablescape. The candles gave a little bit of romance. And because we're tea drinkers, I have my creamer and my sugar bowl. And to put a little bit of glamour in this, I have this beautiful silver and a little bit of pink in the coaster. Isn't it glamorous? And because Grandma loves her garden, she has her beautiful garden plates. Are they not beautiful? I got some napkins that I've already used in a past post with hearts all around them. Thought they looked very cheerful and romantic. And of course, I got some beautiful cupcakes. Are they not pretty? Pink strawberry cupcakes. Let me know what you think of this tablescape. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Until the next video. I appreciate all the love and support that all of you have given me. It really means a lot to me. Bye-bye for now, my awesome friends. Until the next video.